What housewife doesn't dream of a perfectly clean toilet? But it's simply unrealistic to keep track of all family members, and sometimes the water is such that plaque and dirty streaks form inside the toilet in just a couple of days, and as a result, we see this picture. Hello dear viewers, glad to see you on the Home Tips channel. In this video, I want to share with you an accessible and most importantly effective way to clean the toilet using inexpensive, natural, accessible ingredients. So, if you want to clean the toilet without using aggressive chemicals, you will like this advice. To make a cleaning product, take a small container that you don't mind throwing away. And the first ingredient we need is citric acid. It perfectly removes limescale and cleans rust. I pour 2 tablespoons into a plastic cup. The second ingredient we will use is mustard powder. I bought it at the pharmacy. It perfectly disinfects, degreases and eliminates unpleasant odors. I also add 2 tablespoons. Now you need to add a little warm water to the mixture and mix well. This is the cleaning paste you should end up with. Now let's start cleaning the toilet. Flush the toilet towards the inside of the toilet bowl. Put on a glove on your hand, because you need to apply the paste with your hand and it is better not to come into direct contact with the dirt that is in the toilet. Take the cleaning mixture with your fingers and spread it evenly over the entire surface. Citric acid is great for cleaning plumbing fixtures from limescale. It removes rust, mold and unpleasant odors well. Mustard powder contains substances that can kill bacteria and fungi, making it useful for disinfecting surfaces. It can also eliminate unpleasant odors and has a slight abrasive effect, allowing you to remove dirt without scratching the surface. In addition, it is a natural product that does not contain any harsh chemicals, so it is absolutely safe to use in the home. After cleaning the toilet, collect any remaining cleaning paste. And using a toilet brush, dissolve it inside the toilet where the water is. Now leave it like this for 1 hour. The plastic cup and glove should be thrown away after this procedure. After an hour, scrub the toilet with a toilet brush. And already at this stage you will see that all the dirt that was there has been cleaned. I just wash off the paste and look, the toilet is snow white, no yellowness, no dirt, no streaks, no plaque, everything is clean. To remove any remaining cleaning paste from the toilet rim, take some toilet paper, wet it with water and wipe the rim. This is how dirty the toilet looked before cleaning. And now look what it looks like after. A strip of water, all the dirt inside, everything is clean and the toilet looks perfect. So friends, this method is simple, and if you want to clean the toilet to a snow white state, take note of it. In the comments you can write what you use to clean the toilet. I hope this advice will be useful to you. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in other videos.